Welding is called the tailor of steel in manufacturing. More than 50% of global steel production is processed into products through welding. Tianyi Welding has experienced 30 years of dynamic growth. It has become a leader in welding technology development, intelligent equipment research and manufacturing, advanced welding technologies and products promotion, welding industrial internet, welding training and certification, and consulting and testing services. Forming a specialized, innovative comprehensive welding group, it has strong international cooperation resources. Its subsidiaries: 3 major industrial bases, nearly 300 professional technicians, over 100 patents, and serves thousands of customers. The Tianyi brand, passed down with ingenuity. Tianyi Welding innovatively proposed, with integrating intelligent equipment systems as the core, and a comprehensive service platform for the whole industry chain, transforming outstanding technical solutions into product outcomes, automation products, laser products, and self-developed products. Comprehensively improve production efficiency, improve product quality. Tianyi has 5 major scientific research and technology platforms, and multiple service centers: Welding and Cutting Technology Application Center, FATCERUD, and Innovation Center, Welding System Consulting and Certification Center, Welding Inspection Center, Welding Pilot Base, Welding and Cutting Equipment Maintenance Service Center. We are committed to becoming the industrial manager. The company is implementing digital transformation and upgrading internally, independently developing the SWMS Intelligent Welding Management System, the WRP Welding Resource Platform Management System, IoT Smart Collection Terminals, forming digital solutions for welding factories, building a welding industrial internet platform, and achieving coordinated development of intelligent equipment and intelligent services. We lead the way with virtual training, smart welding workshops, and welding metaverse spaces. Welding connects the world, shaping the future. Integrity as our foundation, respect for nature, and love for people.
时代赋予了我们天一人新的责任、新的使命、新的高度，在新的历史发展时期，去创造我们天一焊接新的发展、新的辉煌。